Let's be honest. Being a busy professional woman today means you're constantly on the go. Between work deadlines, meetings, family responsibilities, and trying to maintain a social life, the last thing you want is a hairstyle that demands your time every single morning. And that's exactly why protective braids are not just a trend. They're a lifestyle solution. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 30 low maintenance protective braid styles that will keep you looking polished, elegant, and effortlessly put together in 2026 and 2027. These are styles that save time, protect your natural hair, and most importantly, make it look like you have your life completely together, even when you're rushing out the door. Let's talk about what truly makes protective braids look expensive, polished, and effortless every single day. Because it's not just the style you choose, it's how you maintain and present it. A lot of women install beautiful braids, but within a few days, the look starts to lose its freshness. The shine fades, the edges get rough, and suddenly, the style doesn't feel as elegant as it did on day one. So the real secret is this. Maintenance is what transforms a simple braid into a luxury look. First, your scalp health is everything. If your scalp is dry, itchy, or flaky, it will affect not just your comfort, but also how neat your braids appear. A hydrated scalp keeps your braids looking fresh and well kept. Use lightweight oils like jojoba oil, argan oil, or a braid spray that won't cause buildups. The goal is to nourish your scalp without making your hair greasy. And here's something many people overlook. Consistency matters more than quantity. You don't need to drench your scalp in oil. A small amount applied regularly keeps everything balanced and healthy. Now, let's talk about keeping your braids neat. One of the fastest ways to lose that polished look is frizz. Over time, your natural hair starts to come out of the braids, especially around the roots. To manage this, you can use a light mousse or a styling foam. Apply it gently over your braids. Then wrap your hair with a silk scarf for a few minutes. This simple routine smooths everything down and brings your braids back to life. Another powerful tip is nighttime care. If you sleep without protecting your hair, friction from your pillow will quickly make your braids look old and messy. A satin or silk scarf, bonnet, or pillowcase is not optional, it's essential. This reduces frizz, maintains moisture, and keeps your style intact for much longer. Now let's talk about edges. Because edges can completely change your look. Even the most beautiful braids can look unfinished if the edges are not neat. You don't need heavy gel every day, but a light touch of edge control applied strategically can instantly elevate your appearance. The key is to keep it soft and natural, not stiff or overly styled. And if you want that rich, put-together look, to less is always more. Next, let's focus on styling. One of the biggest advantages of braids is versatility. You can switch your look without needing to redo your hair. A sleek low bun instantly gives you a professional, corporate appearance. A high ponytail feels confident and powerful. A half-up, half-down style gives you a relaxed but still elegant vibe. The trick is to rotate your styles. Wearing your braids the exact same way every day can make them feel boring. But small changes like switching your part, adjusting your bun, or adding a simple accessory can make your hairstyle feel brand new. Speaking of accessories, if you want to elevate your braids without extra effort, subtle accessories can make a big difference. Think minimal gold cuffs, simple beads, or a clean hair tie that matches your outfit. These small details add personality while still keeping your look professional. Now let's address buildup and cleanliness. A lot of people assume that once you have braids, you don't need to wash your hair. That's not true. Your scalp still produces oil and sweat, and over time, buildup can occur. The key is gentle cleansing. Use a diluted shampoo or a scalp cleanser and focus on your scalp, not the length of the braids. Follow up with a light conditioner spray if needed, and always allow your braids to dry completely to avoid any odor or mildew. Another important factor is tension and comfort. If your braids feel too tight, especially in the first few days, it's important to relieve that tension. Tight styles can lead to breakage or even hair loss around the edges. You can use a warm towel or a soothing scalp oil to help relax the roots. Your hairstyle should never cause pain. Comfort is part of elegance. Now let's talk about longevity. If you want your braids to last longer and still look fresh, you need to refresh them intentionally. After a couple of weeks, you can redo the front row or touch up your edges. This small adjustment can make your entire hairstyle look brand new again without reinstalling everything. And here's a mindset shift that will change everything. Looking polished is not about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. When your braids are clean, your scalp is healthy, your edges are neat, and your styling is intentional, you naturally look more put together even on your busiest days. Because at the end of the day, protective braids are not just about convenience. They are about confidence. They are about efficiency. They are about showing up in your life looking and feeling your best without stress. So take care of your braids, treat your hair with intention, and let your style work for you, not against you. And when you master this, you'll always have that effortless, elegant look that turns heads without trying.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale.